Good afternoon, Christian from T.W White Sons, here to give you a video walk round of our 2018 18 plate CX-5. It's quite an unusual car this, and we don't tend to see a lot of CX-5s in Sonic Silver, and I can't for the life of me work out why, because it looks wonderful, particularly when it's got a contrasting black leather interior like this car has. This is a one-owner vehicle, supplied by us from new. Customer changes their car every 3 years with us. And this one being no different. It barely covered any miles. The vehicle's done less than 13,000 miles, but been serviced with us every year without fail. Apologies for the noise, I'm on a slightly busy road. Car's had a very easy life, as I mentioned. We get a lot of vehicles come in part exchange in good condition, but this really is something different. The car is immaculate. I cannot find a mark on it. It's in Sport Nav trim. It's the 2.2 175 PS diesel engine, all-wheel drive and automatic transmission. These are very, very sought after, desirable cars. I'll show you the power tailgate. You can operate this from the key or from a button inside the boot, which is just up here. And there's also a button inside the car. Really, really good sized boot. See a 60-40 split rear seat, and you can actually fold those down off these levers off the side here. Massive boot, loads of space. Just put the tailgate down. If you haven't had a power tailgate before, it's a wonderful feature to any car. And I've already touched on the condition, but car really is as close to out of the box as you get. None of the alloy wheels are marked, not a single scuff or scrape on them. The car only arrived with us this morning. It's had a wash and a leather, a hoover, and been sanitised, and is looking as good as it does now. A real testament to the previous owner. They have loved and cared for this car very, very well indeed. I'll show you a couple of features that you get in Sport Nav spec. You've got a push button start down here. As you put your foot on the brake pedal, it lights up, telling you can turn the car on. You'll note I mentioned the mileage previously. Car's covered 12,770 miles. That is supported by a full and complete service history with ourselves as the supplying dealer. And we actually saw this car less than a month ago for a third-year service and its first MOT, which of course it passed with flying colours given the miles that it's covered. Car has a reader on it to tell you when the service is next due as well. A couple of features that you get on the multimedia system here. This is Mazda's MZD Connect system. It's been in use for a very long time, but it's very intuitive and very user-friendly. This system has DAB digital radio, FM and AM. You can do Bluetooth audio streaming from it. You've got USB connectivity as well. You can also do your hands-free calls and a fully integrated and inbuilt navigation system as well. If I go for reverse, you'll also get a picture of the reversing camera. Vehicle has parking sensors front and back, and a rear camera as well. A dual zone climate control air conditioning system, heated front seats, awesome heated steering wheel, so a fabulous feature for winter time. The auto transmission that I mentioned, and an electronic handbrake. Very easy to use. If you've not used one before, you just have your foot on the brake, press it down to take it off, and pull it up to put the handbrake back on. Simple as that. You actually get a little bit of feedback through the pedal, so you can feel that it's happened. All your steering wheel controls for your hands-free phone and Bluetooth, and cruise control and speed limiter there as well. As you'd expect, all electric windows, power folding wing mirrors, switches down here for parking sensors and also for power tailgate. You also have up here in the roof lining, being a Sport Nav, a electric adjuster sunroof, which is controlled by a little switch between the front lights there. But a really, really good size sunroof, quite a rare option on a modern car actually. I don't know why, because it's a wonderful addition to any car. Pull the cover across. The car will be supplied with a minimum of 12 months Mazda approved used warranty, and that's included in the advertised cost of the vehicle. That's parts, labour, recognised at any Mazda dealer up and down the country. So please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Cheers then, bye.